First Lady Mama Rachel Ruto, Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Senegal, Your Excellency, the Prime Minister of the Republic of Mozambique, Your Excellency, the Deputy President, Professor Kithure Kindiki, and Dr. Joyce Kindiki, the Prime Cabinet Secretary, Honorable Musalia Mudavadi, the Honorable Speakers of the Honorable Speaker of the National Assembly and the Senate, the Honorable Chief Justice and the President of the Supreme Court, and other judges who are here, Excellency Governors and Deputy Governors present, Members of Parliament, that is Senators and National Assembly members present, Cabinet and Principal Secretaries present, our distinguished heroes and heroines from all over the country, mabibi na mabwana, all protocols observed. I wish to warmly welcome you all to Kitui County, the venue for the 2025 Mashujaa Day celebrations for our nation. Your Excellency, the President, the people of Kitui are grateful for the opportunity we have been accorded to host this year's Mashujaa Day at this magnificent 10,000-seater stadium recently constructed by your government in a record 4.5 months from June 2025 to October 2025. Your Excellency, I recall vividly when I requested you to consider hosting one of the national days that are celebrated outside the capital city in Kitui County, either in 2025 or 2026. This was on 23rd February 2023 when you visited our county to launch the Level 4 Hospital at the Administration Police Border Patrol Unit Headquarters at Kanyonyo. And Your Excellency, here we are in 2025 celebrating Mashujaa Day in Kitui. This is indicative of your responsiveness as a national leader who is committed to inclusive service delivery and development in all parts of our country. Your Excellency, we are deeply honored that you granted our request. Asante sana. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, Mashujaa Day is a special occasion set aside under our Constitution to honor Kenyans who have sacrificed and exhibited courage and selflessness in the service of our nation. Today, as we celebrate Kenyan heroes and heroines, we wish to particularly salute those Kenyans such as Mekatilili Wamenza and Koitalel Arap Samoei, who firmly resisted colonialists. We also honor the Kenyan heroes who gallantly fought for the independence of our country, such as Dedan Kimathi and the Kapenguria Six. In the southeastern Kenya region, Your Excellency, we also have heroes and heroines who include Kivoi Wamwenda, a Kamba warrior and long-distance trader who resisted colonialists, Mwangeka wa Malowa, a 19th century chief of Taita who led the community in opposing colonial rule, Siokimau and Muindimbingu who valiantly resisted colonialism. Other heroes and heroines from the region include Mbiti Mati, the first African National Assembly Speaker, Kitili Mwendwa, the first African Chief Justice, Zamba Kitonga, the chairperson of the Committee of Experts that harmonized various drafts that led to the 2010 Constitution, among others. The bravery, courage, and resilience of these heroes and heroines are an inspiration to the current and future generations to build a united and prosperous Kenya. Your Excellency, in our country, heroes and heroines are found in all walks of life. They include persons who significantly contribute to our economic development through engagement in the micro, small, and medium enterprises, such as mama mbogas, border operators, juakali traders, barbers, salonists, hawkers, among others. Such heroes and heroines are also found among teachers, nurses, security officers, community health promoters, firefighters, athletes, fishermen, and farmers. In a special way, Your Excellency, I want to take this opportunity to applaud the departed former Prime Minister, the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, as an outstanding and awesome Mashujaa whom Kenyans are celebrating for championing multi-party democracy, constitutional reforms, promoting and defending devolution, and advocating for justice, rule of law, and inclusive governance. Your Excellency, in order to promote inclusive economic growth, your government has been implementing projects in our county focusing on agriculture, micro, small, and medium enterprises, rural electrification through the last mile connectivity program, roads and allied transport infrastructure, housing, healthcare, tourism, technical and vocational training, and the creative economy, including adoption of digital technology, music, arts, and sports. In appreciation, Your Excellency, kindly allow me to briefly highlight some of the projects that your government has undertaken recently in preparation for Mashujaa Day celebrations in Kitui municipality, and these include the construction of this 10,000-seater Idhokwe Stadium, the construction of the Kitui Mini State Lodge, 3, the rehabilitation of the Idhokwe Airstrip, 4, the expansion of rural electrification program to cover an additional 750 households. 5, upgrading to bitumen standard several roads within Kitui municipality. Your Excellency, there are 2 roads which were identified, tendered for, and recommended for award and implementation by KERA as part of the roads to be undertaken in preparation for Mashujaa Day to serve as entry and exit roads for the Idhokwe Stadium and the Kitui Airstrip. I would like to request you, sir, that they be implemented as initially planned to be ready for your commissioning when you come back to Kitui, and I believe very soon. These roads are Mlutu Edhiani Tiva Kiliko Junction and Makutano Maidhokwe Mbusiani Dhimani Kolania to Edhiani Road. Your Excellency, there are other projects that are currently being undertaken and others earmarked for implementation by your government. These include markets. 2 have been completed, one at Kakongo in Mwingi West and another one in Kamuwongo in Mwingi North, and 10 others which have been proposed for construction. Then there is housing, the proposed construction of over 2,000 affordable housing units in Kitui, Mwingi, Mutombo, and Kabadi towns, in line with your commitment to provide decent and affordable housing for low and income households in all parts of the country. The proposed upgrading, also, Your Excellency, the proposed upgrading to bitumen standards of key roads such as Kwasikum Bodoni Road, which you are to launch on Wednesday, when we got the sad news that the late Right Honorable Raila Odinga has left us, and programs which you had to be rescheduled. Then there is Kamuwongo Kanduya Road, which is in Mwingi North. Then there is Chuluni, Zombe Mwitika Road, which is in Kitui East. And then there is Ikuda Kanzikumuda Road, which is in Kitui South. Your Excellency, we have some proposed construction projects, which some have started, others are just about, and this includes student hostels at Seku and all the KMTCs in Kitui, that is in Mwingi, here in Kitui, and in Mutombo, and also at the Kabati Vocational and Training Institute. The proposed establishment of the Kitui Utalii College, and we signed a memorandum of understanding with the Kenya Utalii College to establish such a campus in the course of this year or early next year. The establishment of 6 technical and vocational training institutes which are complete and are in use, and also the Kitui Livestock Training Institute and a modern livestock feedlot facility at Kanyonyo, which are intended to train mid-level professionals and to enhance the livestock value chain respectively. Also, Your Excellency, we have the ongoing construction of the proposed Kitui County Aggregation and Industrial Park at Kanyonyo, which is about 45% complete, and where aggregation and value addition of agricultural produce will take place. Also, in tourism, we have the rehabilitation of the South Kitui Game Reserve, a project where we are collaborating very closely with Kenya Wildlife Service. Your Excellency, we kindly request that you consider prioritizing the completion of the following projects. 1, Umar Dam, which is ongoing, but the contractor is like he has abandoned the site, claiming his certificates are not being honored. Please let something be done about it so that he can complete that project. And thank you very much, really, for having it restarted, because it stalled some time ago.
If we can wind up.
Yeah, soon. Then there is a Kedhombwani market in Kitui town. Your Excellency, we thank you for instructing